YouTube. I just wanted to quickly bring you another grocery haul because there are a few items that I'm super excited about. Like I've said before in my last couple of videos, one of the biggest things that has been so hard for me to give up is dairy, specifically cheeses. So I made a special trip to go find the Follow Your Heart cheese because I've heard such good things about it. So I'm super excited to try those out, and so I'm hoping that I'll like them. I'll let you guys know, but let's get into the haul. So just for the vegetables, I have some greens, purple cabbage, bell peppers, asparagus, sweet potato, some tomatoes, cucumber, have zucchini, squash, some organic carrots. I have just some regular potatoes, red potatoes, and then back here some my favorite popcorn. I have some baby spinach, and I have some bananas here that I got quite a few. I plan on letting these ripen and making some banana bread. And then I also bought these dairy-free Enjoy Life dark chocolate chips to put in the banana bread with some walnuts. I also, see, I forgot back here some spinach, and then just some sparkling water and some flat outs that I make pizza with. And then this I'm super excited about. I went to a special store to get this because it's not easily available where I live. I'm gonna try the Beyond Meat crumbles, make some spaghetti for that with that. Then I also, because you guys know in the past couple videos I have said that I would really like to give up dairy 100%, and cheese is the reason I haven't yet. So this I'm excited to try is the Follow Your Heart Parmesan style shreds. And then also this pepper jack slices, just for sandwiches, tacos. You know, you could even put it on pizza if you wanted to. I'm not sure how good it will melt, but I really got this for the pizza, the mozzarella shreds. So I'm really excited about that, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. And then I also got some organic traditional pie crust, and these are vegan. And I plan on making a veggie pot pie out of these. And then my guilty pleasure here, I bought some Oreos. And then also something new that I have never tried, the Annie's Organic Vegan Mac and Cheese. So I'm planning to throw some broccoli in here, make it a little healthier. But yeah, I'm super excited to try that. And then these are just peanut butter pretzels my husband loves to eat. And then my condiments here, I just have barbecue sauce, some vegetarian baked beans, pink Himalayan salt, sweet chili. This is like just put on, you can put in wraps or some spring rolls, which is what I plan to use it for. I bought some sweet and sour sauce that I like to make stir fry with. And then just some regular salsa that I like to put in with our quesadillas or tacos that I make. Just ketchup, and then I got the 100% natural, no high fructose corn syrup, and then pizza sauce. And then over here, I have the corn chicken nuggets, which my husband and I both enjoy. Not vegan, but still really love those. I wish they would make a vegan version. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my camera died. Anyways, as I was saying, the last two items that I bought, this Earth Balance vegan cheddar squares. I've never tried these, so give those a try. And then also, I usually buy unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but I bought this unsweetened cashew milk, and I'm going to use this for my veggie pot pie recipe because using the almond milk can kind of make it taste a little bit funny. So I'm going to be using the cashew milk for that. Okay, so that's my haul, my vegan grocery haul, and so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be planning out probably like lasagna, spaghetti, quesadillas, tacos. Those are some ideas that I have in mind for this week or this coming week for dinners. Probably for lunch, I'll probably just do salads and wraps with the things that I've bought. I have lots of plans for different recipe videos coming soon, and what I eat in a day videos coming, so please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications for those. And if you don't mind, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.